Hello everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. This is Ozzy here again, and today we are unboxing a pen by Waterman Paris. And let's get right into it. So you see from the outside, it just has this white cardboard covering with Waterman Paris written on it in gold font. Nothing else spectacular, it just has the serial number and everything on the side here. And yep, just open on one end. I bought this from Amazon. I'll disclose the pricing details in a bit. It looks like the cardboard has been bent a little bit in transport, but the box looks okay. Let's take it out. Oh wow, and here you go. We have a blue colored box with a wooden finish, some wavy lines, and gold font, Waterman Paris written on it. Looks like a very nicely made box. I don't see any damage or anything in transport. Has the Waterman W logo on the front. And yeah, looks like it's pretty good. The printing is only on the top and a little bit on the front. The printing does not extend to the back or the bottom. All right, so that's the packaging. Very nice presentation. Let's take it out. And you see here's the pen. Before we get to the pen, let's discuss the box first. It has the Waterman Paris logo on the top here. Velvet finish for keeping the pen. And if we take this out, the secret compartment in the bottom has an instructions manual and information on it as well. This comes with a 3-year standard warranty. And here is the entire user guide of filling in a refill, how to fix the pen refill, how to replace it, and I believe that should be the warranty information, but it's unfilled because I bought it from Amazon. But if you fill this out, you get an additional, or you fill it out on the website and register your pen, you get an additional 2 years. So in total, 3 years standard and 2 years additional. Okay, so let's put this to the side. And what else we got in there? We have a cartridge, which is for this pen, and it is a fine cartridge as it says, and it's a rollerball pen. So let's go ahead and check the pen out, then we'll put this cartridge in. We'll put this back in there. There we go. So guys, so this is the Waterman Perspective Rollerball pen. I bought this in black lacquer finish with the silver chrome, and it is a very beautiful pen, I must say. I like this when I saw it browsing on Amazon and on their website. I actually wanted the blue finish, but it was out of stock, and I just needed something that would, work with all of my daily outfits. I have a cross two-tone silver and gold, which is perfect for most of my outfits, but not all of them. I do have a red Ferrari Schaefer pen, which doesn't go with everything. This kind of fits the bill, and a blue one would have worked because I have a lot of blue clothing, but I decided to get the black and silver because it's more versatile. As you can see, a very nice lacquered finish, holds the shine really well. You can see it has Waterman France written on it, Waterman Paris, and then it says France on the other side. The design here is kind of geometrical, inspired by our modern architectural buildings made of glass, and in essence all kinds of modern architecture. And the clip is really nice too. Looks very solid and is kind of hollowed out from the center. I think I would call this a skeleton clip. The top has the Waterman signature. This concentric ring is also polished in a mirrored finish. Basically the whole metal theme is chrome silver polish across. Top ring is also polished. The Waterman logo is set in white on a black background. You can see at the bottom, we have the bottom ring is all black lacquered finish, and it is rimmed by, again, silver chrome finish. So and it has a decent weight to it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, so it doesn't feel cheap. It feels luxurious, but doesn't get in the way of writing, I think. Let's take this out. All right, so I haven't put the nib in, the cartridge in yet, so the nib looks empty. Let's see. So this clip, the top clip, fits on the back end pretty well and looks nice and secure. If I were to hold it, let's put the cartridge in, shall we? Okay, this comes out very easily. I did not feel any resistance to it. Empty, so let's put the cartridge in. Comes with a cap on top. So let's go ahead and attach it right like this. There we go. I think it's secure. We can put it in now. Screw it back on. All right, perfect. Just to make sure. Okay, when you close the cap, it is very solid, very satisfying, and very easy to get off at the same time too. So let's write something. Okay, so I have my writing pad here. Let's write something, see how this works out. Okay, and I have to say, very smooth. Not sure if this is truly fine point, guys. I think it's more of a medium, but it says fine on the cartridge, which is strange. So it writes pretty well. My writing is not very great, but that's what happens when you write really, really fast during the day. Okay, let's write something else. And the gloves don't make it any easier, but I just wanted to get a feel, and it looks pretty smooth. It's not smudging. As you can see, I write in a very odd fashion. I write this way instead of the usual standard way of writing, which is why a lot of my inks tend to smudge. But I think with this, I won't have a problem because I'm writing, and this is fresh ink, not dried out. It's not smudging, so that's perfect for me. Yeah, it dries out really fast, very good. Perfect. And another bit of detail, guys. So when you open this up, you see it has three concentric graduations before the actual nib tapers off. I think that kind of goes with the design theme of architectural design. It's very, very metropolitan, I must say. Or should I say cosmopolitan? So yeah, it's very, I wouldn't say it's very flashy, but it is definitely a nice gentlemanly type of pen. Do recommend it very well. I do recommend this for office or general use, maybe not very casual use. It does have a bit of a formal vibe to it, but yeah, great everyday pen you can take to the office or to a meeting. It's not super luxurious, so if you're looking for something more flashier, I would choose a different brand or a different style from the same company. Waterman makes excellent pens. You should check out their website. They have a variety of different types of pens that can be used in a variety of different situations. Their lines go all the way from super casual all the way to ultra formal and ultra high end. So do check it out. And just for the pricing that I got it for, so the list price is $170. On Amazon, I found this for $114. Plus I had some points on my credit card, so I used that. Overall, it just cost me around 50 to 60 bucks. So not bad for a pen like this quality. I'd say check out their stock. At the time when I bought this, there were only 4 remaining. The blue one was completely out. The black and gold, I think, is still there. And this one was finishing soon, so not sure by the time you guys see this video it'll be available, but do give it a shot. Do try it out. Try out other links as well on Google. You might be able to find it on, I believe, penworld, if it's not out of stock already. And there are a couple of other novelty pen shops online that you can check out. But overall, wherever you get this, try to get it at a good price. There's several discounts going on with Christmas and everything, so highly recommend it. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more additional content coming your way. Bye-bye.